So yummy. Give it a good mix. Wait, am I gonna go nuts with this? Hey friends, I'm talking about the Nutty Parm crumbles. And yes, you can go nuts loving it, but not in the actual sense nuts. By the way, you're on the NoRx Needed channel, which literally means without prescriptions. My name is Oksana. I'm a registered nurse and a natural wellness coach. What we do here is eat our way out of prescriptions. If this is what you want to do, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Today I want to share with you yet another healing menu staple that will literally make you crave your next salad. By the way, if you haven't seen my other videos on healing menu staples, here they are. Let's whip it up. You will need equal parts of 4 ingredients: walnuts, raw almonds, pecans, and nutritional yeast. You can also add Brazilian nuts, but since I don't have them today, I'm just gonna use these 3 varieties. Half a cup of each to make 2 cups of Nutty Parm. Load the nuts in a coffee grinder or a food processor and grind away. Be careful not to overdo it as it may turn mushy. We don't want that. First one down, 3 more to go. Looks like this. Here, take a close look. Crumbled nuts here will add a texture of parmesan cheese, and nutritional yeast will make it taste cheesy. A word on nutritional yeast, in case you haven't added it to your diet, you definitely should do this. It is highly nutritional food. It contains a full panel of amino acids our body needs. Amino acids are the building blocks of every cell. Essential amino acids our body cannot make, so therefore we have to consume it with food. Oops, look at this guy. I'm gonna eat you. So yummy. Nutritional yeast is high in glutathione, which is the most powerful liver protector of all times. It is also high in beta-glucan, which is fantastic to regulate your cholesterol and boost your immune system. Bottom line, nutritional yeast is full of benefits. A word of caution though, if you're someone who suffers with Crohn's disease, nutritional yeast may exacerbate your symptoms, so probably it's not for you, so just be aware. Now give it a good mix and transfer it to a glass jar. They will stay fresh for a very long time. Oh, it looks like I need to use a bigger container so to mix it well. If you live in a hot climate, then I would refrigerate it. Otherwise, you can just leave it on the shelf. And I use little jars like this, and it's just convenient. Share this video with a friend who wants to heal their body. No kidding, is that good? Wait, am I gonna go nuts with this?